Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And you feel what I don't.
What's up? Welcome back to Candied TV. It's your girl B and baby behind the scene.
Yep, behind the scenes today. What's up, guys?
What's up? So today's video, I will be making some cracked grapes. I just want to see what everybody's craving about these cracked grapes. So you need a bag of Jolly Ranchers, the hard. You need the green grapes. You need a blender. You need the stick. You need corn syrup, food coloring, the flavor. You need thermometer. You need a water and measuring cups. I'm gonna unravel these Jolly Ranchers and I'll be back, guys. Okay guys, so I just added the Jolly Ranchers to the blender. Yeah, right. Let's see this bad boy, yeah. See how that looks? And it smells good too. Okay guys, so I forgot that you need sugar. So, alright. You need 2 cups of sugar. Corn syrup. Let me put this on high a little bit. Half a cup of water. Okay, now you're gonna keep stirring it up. I don't know what the hell I spilled over there. What I spilled was saying. Now you're gonna put the thermometer there. Wish I had. When it gets to like 250, then you add the flavor. The reason why it's good to have a thermometer because you don't want to burn it. So once it gets to 250, I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. So the temperature right now is on 250. So that's when you're going to want to add your flavor. I'm going to add strawberry because I know baby is very picky. So
I ain't that picky.
I don't want her to have something that she gonna like, you know? And they so tiny.
Yeah, you only need a little bit. Just a little bit. Take them off and pull them down just a little bit.
Alright. Then I gotta wait. Oh, that smells good, guys.
She making dope. All you need is some baking soda.
I need some baking soda. Baking soda.
Wrapped up. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The little crystals. Go right to 125th Street. Cash out.
So now you're gonna have to wait until the temperature is at 350 to remove it from the heat. And then that's when you add your food coloring. Guys, I'm done. So I'm gonna add my food coloring. Mix that around. See that? The only mistake I did was I think I should have had put the Jolly Ranchers in the blender after this was done. Only because my Jolly Ranchers got hard.
I tell her to put it back in the blender.
So what you're gonna do is dip this in there. Oh no, I think you put it in the wrong place. You supposed to put this inside the other hole. So I added the food coloring. So what you're gonna do is gonna dip your grape in there. Dip it in here. It's getting hard again. I do not know why. It's pissing me off. You know what? I'm gonna have to just do it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it like that. Crumble that damn.
I can tell you what the other voice.
I am a little bit.
I can see it.
Cause one. I don't know why this is getting so hard.
Didn't have a recipe. I bombed my McDonald's recipe and the Chinese food.
Okay guys, these are my cracked grapes. It looks horrible. I try my best. I got frustrated. I just gave up. I was like, you know what? I'm not doing this no more. Because I did it like...
Show them up close, baby.
I did it like twice.
Let them get real close in there. I mean,
So,
edible.
okay, so when I was looking at videos, the first thing the first person did was put the Jolly Rancher in the blender. So I did that first, and then as my corn syrup was, you know, cooking to like 350, I noticed that the Jolly Rancher got really hard. So I tried to like crumble it back up with my fingers or a spoon, but it kept getting hard and hard. Then I put it back into the blender. I took it off from the blender, it got hard again. So something must be up. I don't know. Comment down below if you're supposed to add something into the blender with the Jolly Ranchers, because mine's got hard.
Try one. Do you feel like trying it right now?
Okay, I'll try one. You try one too.
Okay. It's so sticky. You know how sticky it gets?
Like that.
It's so hard.
It's hard. Oh my god, be cold. I have not put this back in the refrigerator, but when you guys done, you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator.
It feels like a candy shell from an apple.
But you're supposed to put it back. You're supposed to put it in the refrigerator.
The only thing that's killing it is grape. Do not add grape, guys. That grape, how ironic, is so overbearing.
So comment down below, what do you guys put into the blender with the Jolly Rancher? Because mine's got hard, very hard. I'm like really disappointed because I was fiending to try this because I know y'all was fiending to try this.
Come here, baby. Stay right here. It's okay, baby. We're gonna do it again, okay? So next time,
Before I end this damn video, make sure y'all tap that like button and make sure y'all subscribe for that free laptop. It's free, guys. What you guys are doing is free. Subscribe, comment down the honey emoji, and comment down with emoji next to it.
yes, comment with emoji next
Comment
to it.
down with emoji next to it. Until next time, peace, one, and I'm out.
I do what I want.
I do what I wanna.
I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with your
I
bitch,
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Hey, tryna get
I
rich,
do what
nigga.
I want.
Hey, tell her use the
I
lips,
do what I
nigga.
wanna.
Ooh.